Hello everyone! Today's compilation consists of entertaining and unique devices, ranging from an exceptional air purifier to a complete collection of highly satisfying fidget toys. Additionally, we have intriguing dragon claws and some incredible, fascinating items. As customary, you can find links to all products in the description box. Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. Govee RGBIC Alexa LED strip lights. Alright, let's begin with Govee's highly luminous LED light strip. Unlike other RGB strips, this particular Govee RGBIC strip incorporates multiple smart IC chips, allowing for stunning segmented colors and extensive customization. Simply download the Govee Home app and choose from a list of preset scenes or create your own. It's incredibly simple. Thanks to the built-in high-sensitive mic, the strip synchronizes with your music, transforming your flowing rainbow into a captivating light show with changing colors and flashing speed. It's truly awesome. Robo DIY kits. Enough of jigsaw puzzles and Lego. It's time for you to construct your own robots. Don't worry, it's not as challenging as regular DIY kits. You'll receive step-by-step instructions and a complete set of tools including tweezers, pliers, and a soldering iron. Each robot in the collection possesses a unique structure and distinctive appearance, whether it's the spider-like hexapod or the two-legged heavy sniper. You can assemble them individually or opt for the complete set, which includes 5 items. Some models consist of approximately 20 parts, while others feature over 100. All these spaceships and creatures are assembled using printed circuit boards, a component utilized in all our devices. Additionally, you'll need to equip the robots with blinking LED lights to bring them to life. 6-axis stabilization. For every vlogger or traveler, a compact action camera with professional-level quality is highly desirable. Let's explore one option. Thanks to its 6-axis stabilization, this camera stands out by capturing perfectly smooth footage. Additionally, it offers ultra-crisp 5.7K resolution and the capability to shoot stunning 360-degree videos. Sound is recorded from all directions with 4 different microphones. Furthermore, a range of creative modes and filters are available, requiring no professional skills. You can effortlessly film slow-motion shots, time-lapses, utilize an invisible selfie stick, or make a crowded street appear completely empty. The AI-powered mobile app provides even more editing tools. As it is an action camera, it is waterproof and designed to withstand various conditions. Petite rocket lamp. Immerse yourself in a world of dreams with this petite rocket that serves as a lamp. Simply place it on your nightstand and switch on the light to embark on a journey. The lamp is entirely 3D printed, resulting in an incredibly realistic appearance. The flame color exudes a gentle and warm ambience, and you can choose from 2 different versions based on your preferred flight direction. Adjusting the brightness level is also possible to suit your needs. The rocket lamp is equipped with a rechargeable 800 mAh battery, offering up to 8 hours of uninterrupted use without any bothersome cords. Rest assured, a USB charging cable is included in the package to power the entire rocket. Phone stand. Now, let's take a look at a fantastic phone stand that not only boasts multiple functions, but also possesses an elegant appearance. You have the freedom to place your phone vertically or horizontally, and the angle is adjustable as well. The standout feature is that this stand also doubles as a convenient wireless charger, capable of delivering up to 10 watts of output. Safety is a top priority as the gadget includes overcharge and over-temperature protection. Furthermore, the integrated LEDs in the stand serve as a nightlight, offering 3 brightness levels and 3 colors to choose from. The touch panel on the top ensures effortless controls. Zirconium Mjolnir Hammer. It seems like everyone these days carries the same set of accessories, but here are some cool all-metal items that you can proudly display. For instance, there's the Stormbeaker pendant crafted from titanium. Despite its compact size, the accessory boasts incredible detail, accentuated by vibrant color options. Another must-have for Thor fans is the Zirconium Mjolnir Hammer, available in several colors with various ornaments and textures. Fidget Spinners. For the most stylish and satisfying fidget spinner, look no further. Its ring-like design makes it easy to hold and carry. If you're into martial arts, the little nunchucks available as keychains are perfect. They come in a variety of designs, all featuring skull tips. Additionally, you might want to consider one of these shiny swords to complete your collection, a classic sword or a colorful minimalist katana. Coco Bulbs. Imagine the surprising transformation of a coconut into a cutting-edge device. Introducing Coco Bulbs. These innovative lamps are meticulously crafted in the Netherlands. Adorned with exquisite patterns, each bulb emanates a captivating projection that can reach up to 100 feet on your walls. There are 3 variants of Coco Bulbs: the basic one, a multicolor version, and a version with an integrated base. In addition to offering a range of vibrant colors, the bulbs also boast 5 adjustable brightness levels. While the number of LEDs may differ across models, all of them emit ample illumination even during daylight hours. What's more, these coconut lamps are rechargeable with a battery that lasts over 10 hours on a full charge, allowing you to take them anywhere you desire. Card holder. Although seemingly simple, this card holder exudes reliability with its aerospace-grade aluminum construction. Furthermore, it provides RFID blocking to safeguard your credit information against potential thieves. The wallet conveniently accommodates up to 5 cards with 1 slot purposely exposed, ideal for displaying a badge or ID. Available in various attractive colors, particularly the enticing champagne gold and pinkish red options, this slim wallet effortlessly fits into any pocket. Alternatively, you can wear it around your neck with a lanyard. Impressively, this accessory is expandable, featuring a versatile rail system that enables quick attachment of additional compartments and useful add-ons. Say goodbye to limited storage space. Projector lamp. Transform your room into a romantic haven with this projector lamp, obviating the need to wait for a picturesque sunset. The lamp's projections instantly grease your walls with breathtaking scenery, ranging from stunning sunsets to vibrant rainbows. With its rotatable head, you can easily fix it at any desired angle, altering the shape and size of the projected image. Adjustments are a breeze. Simply move the lamp away from the wall to expand the projection aperture. Crafted from minimalist aluminum, the lamp showcases a sleek and durable design. For your convenience, the package includes a power supply with sufficiently long USB cables, allowing you to plug it in anywhere you desire. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.